How to fix allow camera access missing on iPhone apps iOS 18. So if you are not able to allow camera access for a particular application on your iPhone, this could be maybe the Snapchat, Facebook, TikTok, or even WhatsApp, and I want to enable the allow camera access, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if I don't know this, if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, when we want to fix allow camera access missing on iPhone apps iOS 18, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Once you open the settings app, and scroll down, click on apps. Then here, locate the application where allow camera access is missing or where you're unable to allow the camera access. So in this case, let's say Instagram. Then go ahead and click on it. Once you locate the application, then you should have the allow app access to. Here I have my Instagram. Then locate the camera access. If camera access is disabled here, you want to go ahead and turn this on. Once you turn that on, then the camera access missing on the application will be fixed. This is not going to fix all applications you have installed on your iPhone. So you need to pay this on all the application that uses your camera access on your iPhone. So if it is WhatsApp application that is missing camera access or Telegram, just go ahead, select the application, and then make sure you turn on allow camera access. You see that? Then you'll be able to use your camera without any obstruction. So that is basically how to fix allow camera access missing on iPhone apps iOS 18. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.